So what we needed initially was a patient count or a victim count from our crews. The first engine got on scene and recognized that there were three crew members from a Reach helicopter that had gone down on the freeway. There were no patients that they were transporting at that particular point. They had just offloaded a patient at UC Davis and were flying back. At that point, they needed to figure out the level of extrication that was needed, because there was one female who was trapped. At that point, there was no truck on scene for extrication tools, just a fire engine. So that captain quickly sequestered the help of multiple civilians to come over and lift this helicopter off of that victim. At that point, crews were able to get her out. All 3 victims were transported within 20 minutes of arriving on scene, which is remarkable. Those stats are just not seen. So crews didn't.